Happy Vagbaras to all of you. Friends, Vagbaras, we celebrate this festival for સરસ્વતી વંદના. હા, સરસ્વતી વંદના માટે આજનો દિવસ વાઘબારસ જે છે એની ઉજવણી પૂરા વિશ્વમાં, પૂરા ભારતમાં થતી હોય છે. Friends, we know that money is very much important in our life. If you would have maximum balance in your bank account and you would constantly spend money, so the day would come that you would have an empty bank balance. જેટલો પૈસો આપણે ખર્ચીએ એની સામે પૈસો ખતમ થઈ જાય છે અને એક દિવસ એવો પણ આવે કે જ્યારે આપણી પાસે પૈસા ના હોય. બટ વેન ઇટ કમ્સ ટુ નોલેજ, જ્યારે જ્ઞાનની વાત હોય, ઉપદેશની વાત હોય, ભણતરની વાત હોય, this Gnan, this Upadesh, this knowledge would remain with us till our last breath. I think that is why we celebrate Vagbaras. On this festival, let's give one promise to ourselves. આપણે પોતાની જાતને એક વચન આપીએ that we would keep learning from every direction, we would keep learning from everyone, and we would not stop our learning because सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. That's a famous quotation from कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. And Lakshmi is chanchad, we know that, but Saraswati, Gnan, is not chanchad. The more knowledge you get, the more wisdom you would receive in your life. Lakshmi આવે અને જાય, પણ Saraswati, goddess of knowledge, would keep itself with us till our last breath. And that is why, if you have a quick look in our past, ભૂતકાળમાં જો તમે કદાચ એક નજર કરો તો તમને સમજાશે કે જે લોકો સરસ્વતીની પૂજા કરતા હતા, કે those people who were having the power of knowledge, ultimately they were ruling the world. If you talk about Socrates, if you talk about Kalidas, if you talk about Aristotle, if you talk about Charak, if you talk about any Muni, any Rishi, any knowledge person, they were have their pure impact on the whole world with the help of their knowledge. Friends, knowledge is the currency of 21st century. In the same way, knowledge of English language is also part of 21st century's currency. In 21st century માં જો આપણે જીવવું હશે, સારી રીતે જીવન જીવવું હશે, સફળતા પામવી હશે, so we have to celebrate this festival along with the promise that we will keep learning and we would learn this language of knowledge from the bottom of our heart. Wishing you all very happy Deepavali, and I wish કે આ દીપાવલીમાં you all will have a promise to yourself, એક વચન આપણે પોતાની જાતને આપીશું, that we would keep learning in our life from each and every situation, no matter what would happen. Because the more and more practice we would have, and the more and more experience we would have, the more learning we would have. So with this take-home message, once again I would like to wish you all happy Vagbaras, happy learning. Thank you very much.